Hi, good evening, everyone. So, hope you all are good and doing well. So, what we need to do today is we need to start with our creators level, the next level, as we have completed the two levels in our previous classes. So, we'll be starting with creator level today. So, hopefully, you guys are ready. So, let me take you to level creator. So let me share my screen. Give me some time. I'm going to share it in a minute. Okay, so here we go. Let me share the screen. So the screen is there. So we have to complete with our level 1 first of all. So our level 1 consists of this. It's looking so rough, it's looking quite difficult, but it's not simple because we have got the pattern. Our very first thing is to analyze the pattern, where I need to move, what should be my route. That's what I need to do. So this analyzation of route, this analyzing of routes or what need to be done is something you have to follow. So you have many things over there, but what you need to grab is the energy. So you just look straight towards the energy. See, the spaceship, these flyers are just to distract you. So you need to do one thing. What you need to do is you have to move forward with something you already know. Obviously, you need to get energy, so you need to go with your energy levels. So see, what is the path I have in this is go forward, then right 2, go left 4, right 2, no, right 4, right? Then 5, 5, no, 6, then 6, and then 1. So what I had done here is, first of all, I have to take one step, then I have to turn rightwards, then I have to take 2 steps and turn leftwards. So each time I'm doing this one has incremented by 2 and this one also has incremented by 2, and after that you have just taken 6 steps this way and turn itself this way and you're good to go. Okay, so let's see how can we do this. Let's run the program. Seems simple. Go forward. That's following a pattern. I tried to put these ones as well as in pattern, but I think so. There is one more thing I can do. Let me check if that works for me. Should I put A over here? Let's see. Will that work for me? It is working for me. But now I don't have something to say, but it's not moving or turning towards right after doing that particular thing. So I'm just keeping it to 6 only. Otherwise, it's just taking this pattern. Okay. So it's simple to be done. So this one is quite simple. You can just follow up with this. Okay. So let's move on to the next step. Oh, sorry, next level. First of all, complete that part. Then I'm giving you 2 to 3 minutes. In 2 to 3 minutes, just complete the previous part and just show me thumbs up in chat box, please. Till that, I'm just going to figure out an optimized way of this one program. Okay. So we will be starting with that part. We'll be starting with this part at 7:10. So let's go forward with this one. So I have drawn a path. Hopefully you can see that path. So I have written it already, but let's optimize this one thing. How can we do this thing? I have spaceship with step that will move one step ahead. Yes. Then that spaceship will turn in left direction. Okay. Then spaceship will move 3 steps. It will reach over here. And then spaceship should move one step. Is it right to say? Spaceship is taking one step. Spaceship is taking how many steps over here? It is turning in left direction. I think spaceship should take 2 steps, right? So this is something I can overcome with. One, I am just putting this up. I'll be keeping it 2. So let's keep it 2. And I can turn spaceship in right direction. So Dev is going to take one step, not spaceship. And before it, it need to turn in which direction? Dev need to turn in left direction. Okay. Then they need to get back on the spaceship by taking -1 step backward. Okay. Then spaceship need to turn in right direction and take how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So it is written wrong over here. Right? So then spaceship should turn left, move 2 steps, turn right this side, and take 3 steps. So spaceship will be taking right steps, turn left, take 2 steps. So Dave is not taking right, spaceship is taking right. Do Dave need to take right? No. Spaceship should take right. But before it, Dave need to grab this item, obviously, right? After taking 7 steps ahead, Dave should take these items, and Dave is facing in which direction? Dave is facing in this direction. Dave should turn in right direction now. And Dave should go on that and come back. So we are following the pattern first of all, then we will see if we will be able to optimize it or not. Okay. Now spaceship is moving 2 steps this way. Then spaceship has turned towards right. Then spaceship is taking how many steps after turning towards right? 3 steps. Right? And then Dave is facing in which direction? Dave should face in left direction. So I'll be keeping Dave to turn left. And then Dave should step onto that, come back. Right? Then I'll be taking this one thing. How many steps spaceship to, first of all, I'm just trying to come over here. So let's come over here. What they will do, let's see. I will ask spaceship to turn right 2 times. This is something rough we are making. Then it should take how many steps? 3, 3, 6, 2, 8. And spaceship should turn right. 2, 8 steps need to be taken. I think 9 steps need to be taken. Space should be, spaceship should be moving how many steps? 1, 2, 3, and 4. And Dave goes in which direction? Let's see. After coming over here, in which direction Dave would will. So I'm trying to run the program. We will go, come back, go, come back, go, come back. So it has done something wrong over here. And what's that wrong is? Spaceship should turn itself. The spaceship has not turned itself. In which direction should spaceship turn itself? Let's see till where we had done right. Just focus on this. The steps it has left. It has turned in wrong direction, but it should not. It was facing in which direction? Let's see. It was going like this, so it should have turned right one time, right? And step 9 should be here. I'm just removing this part and checking what is the right way of mine to go over there. And turn right. And 9. And now it should turn in which direction? It should turn in which direction? It should turn itself in right direction again. And then it should move 3 steps. Is it 3 or 4? Let's check. Spaceship is here. It should move 4 steps. It should ask Dave to go like this. And then spaceship should repeat this thing 2 times. And run the program. Let's see. Dave cannot move across like that. So I think I have done something wrong, and that is this. And we are done. Okay. So this is something we can do. We can optimize our program. You can check how can you optimize your program. Let's go back and check how can you optimize this program. So if you will be able to judge any pattern, like 1 minus 1, how is it coming? Is it coming after a certain number of steps? Turn left, space shift or 2. So what is it doing? So it is following some pattern maybe. So you just have to optimize this program by using for loop. Okay. So just try to finish this up. Just show me thumbs up in the chat box once you're done with this program. So in next 1 minute, we are going to start our next levels. Please just show me thumbs up in the chat box if you're done with this level. So let's go back to the next level. Hopefully you guys are done with the program. Okay. Now we have this very program of ours. So we can judge the pattern over here as well. So first of all, Dave is facing in opposite direction. So Dave can move this way. Done. In which direction? So I want Dave to take this, come over here. Even Dave can do like that, right? Go till here, come over here, come over here. It's forming something, right? It's forming a path like this. Is there any other way to go to these, to cover them up? So let's see which is the simplest one. Like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, right? Like that. No, this is something wrong. I can just go this way and do this. Which is a simple one? Which is a simple one? I find the first one is a simple one. So let's see. Let's go with the first one. First of all, I'm trying to cover this up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then they should move in which direction? They should turn in left direction. They should move forward by 1 step. They should again turn left. And move sorting steps, and those steps are 5. Okay. Then 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2 is something you have to go forward by turning right in direction. Okay. We will turn how many steps? We dot step 2. They should turn in which direction now? Right again. One, two, three, four, five, six. 6. Okay. Now they should be turning leftwards. Am I doing it right? But because I have already covered them, no. So why I'll be just taking that up? That's something wrong that you had seen, no? So I'll be doing it this way, and this way, this way, this way, and this way. This is something I can do, right? Or after doing this, covering this, let's see what could be done. So I have done something wrong, and that something wrong is that's okay. I have come over here by taking 5 steps. Turn right taking 2 steps, but I need not to go 6 steps ahead. It's good to go 2 steps only. Okay, or I can go 3 steps and I can ask Dave to turn in which direction? In left direction. And take 1 step, no? 2 step again. Okay, 2 step again. And then I can ask Dave what you need to do, Dave, is you need to turn in left direction and take 2 steps again. Wrong. Because it need to turn in which direction? It need to turn in right direction. And that's what we lack. Again, wrong. Why so? Because it has moved this way by, it should take which step? 1 step. So how many number of steps we have taken? That's okay with 1 step, 5 steps. Okay. Now it will turn in which direction? It's going to turn in left direction. And it should take 5 steps now. Okay. Now it will turn in right direction, take 3 steps and so on. Let's see. Are we right now? Sorry. No, we are not. Because What was the thing we wanted? Do we want this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And right. And we have to take how many steps? 1, 2. And now I think, okay, right. Right. And now 2 steps. No, now 3 steps. We are lacking with our 1 step. And then it is asking to turn left, move it by 2. And so do I need to do this? Let's see. But I think I will be doing something better. Sort. So this is something we had done. So this is the code you can go with, but this could be easily done in a more optimized manner if we will be following a simple path. And that simple path you have to generalize with simple path that could turn inside a loop, whether it will be this, this, come back over here. So it will take extra steps. Come over here this way. This is something could be done. So there are different ways of solving a single program. Hopefully you can do that. Just try to complete this one part. So, okay. Bye-bye. Let's meet in the next class with the next level. So we'll be starting level 4 in the next class. Hopefully you had a good day, good time. Wish you a good day. So bye-bye everyone. Have fun.